I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: account, vertical clips, and the app or studio. First, open the Shorts template chooser and select a 9:16 preset that matches 15 to 60 seconds. Once selected, import your clips or photos, trim rough lengths now so timing is manageable. Make sure to name the project and save as a draft. This prevents accidental loss. You're starting with structure, so place your main visual in the first 3 to 5 seconds to hook viewers immediately. Now you'll focus on detailed execution. Trim clips precisely and stagger them so visuals change every 1 to 4 seconds for pacing. Add template music, then reduce audio ducking so voice or key sounds remain clear. Once done, insert text overlays and stickers. Position them away from the bottom 10% to avoid player controls. Use speed ramps for emphasis and color presets to maintain a consistent look. If your template supports keyframes, nudge animations for smoother motion. Finish by previewing the short end-to-end. Watch for clipping, abrupt cuts, or audio pops. Once satisfied, export at 1080 by 1920 and check playback on a mobile device to confirm aspect and legibility. Then add title, description, tags, and schedule or publish immediately. Make sure audience settings match policy. If something goes wrong, like template crashes or audio mismatch, update YouTube, clear the app cache, and re-import assets. Reapply the template and retry publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.